Welcome students. This is part 22 video for numerical problems on unit 2 kinematics. In previous video we learned problems 1 to 11. In this session we are going to learn from problem number 12 to 22. This is problem number 12. The resultant of two vectors A and B is perpendicular to vector A and its magnitude is equal to half of the magnitude of vector B. What's the angle between A and B? Here you are given options. As there are two vectors with an angle, to find out the resultant, we need to apply triangle of vectors. You know, according to triangle of vectors, according to triangle of vectors, what's the resultant? R is equal to square root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. And also we know tan alpha as B sin theta by A plus B cos theta. Here it is given alpha is 90 degree. Okay. And so we need to find out tan 90 degree is equal to B sin theta by A plus B cos theta. What is tan 90? It is infinity. Don't mistake it as alpha. This is infinity. Infinity is equal to 1 by 0. That's equal to B sin theta again divided by A plus B cos theta. Okay. So from this step we understand that A plus B cos theta is equal to 0 and so A is equal to minus B cos theta. Shall we find out now what is the resultant? By substituting here, it is A square, isn't it? So minus, instead of A square, minus B cos theta the whole square plus B square plus 2 into A again minus cos theta into B cos theta. Okay. So what would you get? It is equal to, when you solve, square root of B square cos square theta minus 2B square cos square theta plus B square. So what is this when you solve? We will get it as minus B square cos square theta plus B square, isn't it? So shall we take B square as common? B square 1 minus cos square theta. What is this? 1 minus cos square theta, it is sin square theta. So R is this much equal to, taking that, removing the square root value, we'll get, it is B sin theta. But given in your problem that R is equal to half of the magnitude of B. Magnitude. Here we need not put the vector symbol, only magnitude. So shall we substitute? B by 2 is equal to B sin theta. So cancel. We get sin theta is equal to half. So what must be theta? Is equal to 30 degree. You are asked to calculate angle between vector A and B, isn't it? Angle between vector A and vector B, and it should be, it cannot be 30 degree, but it should be 180 minus theta. Okay. as we have found out that it is 180 minus 30. Answer is 150 degree. The reason why theta cannot be 30 because the resultant makes 90 degree with the alpha. Okay, hope you have understood. Okay, coming to the next problem. Compare the components for the following vector equations. Okay, so here you know how to write the vector components of each. So first, let us take it is A. This is problem number 13. So first problem, it is given that Tj cap minus Mg j cap is equal to Ma j cap. Okay, we need to compare. Now comparing the components. Comparing components of vector. Comparing the components of vector. How to compare? Yes, this side with the right hand side. So taking j as common, t minus j cap as the common, isn't it? We get Ma j cap. So we get t minus mg is equal to ma. This is first problem. Then coming to the next. So t vector, how will you write t vector? Component of t vector, this is B. Component of t vector is equal to, yes, it is tx I cap plus ty j cap plus tz k cap. Okay. And similarly, what is the components of f vector? Fx I cap plus fy j cap plus fz k cap. Okay. So, to find t vector plus f vector. So, we'll get here as tx plus fx I cap plus ty plus fy j cap plus tz plus fz k cap. Now, shall we write components for right hand side? If you take this work as left hand side, let us find out for right hand side, that is a vector plus b vector. Now, shall I write straight? In straight is comparing the components, we get ax plus bx the same way. Similarly, steps are same. So it is I cap plus ay plus by j cap plus az plus bz k cap. So when you compare, here you may have, what is it? It is tx plus fx is equal to ax plus bx. Okay. Yes. And the next steps and next problem, you may continue. C and D, you may continue as this. So, what would be the answer for C? Answer is Tx minus Fx is equal to Ax minus Bx. And answer for D is the same step as we followed in the previous steps. முன்ன நம்ம எப்படி போட்டோமோ அதே மெத்தட்ல நீ போட்டேன்னா you will get the answer for C and D. You may write in steps when you copy down in the notebook. Notebookல எழுதையில steps clear-ஆ எழுது. Okay. Now coming to problem number 14. Calculate the area of the triangle for which of its two sides are given by the vectors A and vector B values given. Okay. So you know very well here the formula of the area of the triangle. Yes, that we need to substitute the formula and find out. It's going to be mere vector product. Okay. Yes, given A vector is equal to 5 I cap minus 3 J cap and B vector is equal to 4 I cap plus 6 J cap. Okay. So to find the area of the triangle, what's the formula? Area of the triangle is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of A vector cross B vector square units. Okay. So shall we find out the cross product first? That is A vector cross B vector. You know children how to find out the cross product? Yes, this is I cap, J cap and K cap. So write as it is the value given. This 4, 6, 0 and 0. Okay. Now this is going to be, you know, vector product. It is I cap 0 minus J cap again 0 plus K cap. Just follow from the previous. See here K cap when you take it is, yeah, what is it? 30 minus of minus 12. So your answer is 42 K cap. We need only the modulus, isn't it? So area of the triangle is equal to half into modulus of 42 K cap. So we take only 1 by 2 into 42. It is equal to 21 square units. Okay, move on to the next problem. This is problem number 15. It is given Earth completes one revolution for 24 hours. So one revolution it is going to be the circle. So 24 hours when it completes a circle, what's the measure of angle in a full rotation? Yes, it is 360 degree. But for 1 hour you are asked. So 360 by 24. Answer is in 15 degree. Okay. You are also expressed, this is in degrees. You are also asked to express in radians. Okay. You know very well that 360 degree is 2 pi radians. Am I right? So it is 2 pi radians. And 2 pi radians is 24 hours. Yes, here we need to find out what is the 1 hour value in radians. So 2 pi by 24. That is equal to pi by 12. Pi by 12 radian. So here 1 hour is equal to, in radian it is pi by 12. Okay. Now the next problem. An object is thrown with the initial speed u. This is problem number 16. It is given that initial speed u is equal to 15 meter per second and theta value is 30 degree. Okay. Theta is 30 degree. You are asked to find out the height reached. So it must be maximum height. Okay. So maximum height is given by the formula u square sin square theta by 2g. So when you substitute, it is 5 square Sine squared 30 by 2 into G value is 9.8. Here we will get 25 into 1 by 4 into 2 into 9.8. So when you use log values, of it, it is for log 25. Log values கூட நீ யூஸ் பண்ணிக்க இல்ல மேனுவலா போடுறதுனாலும் போட்டுக்கலாம். நான் log values போடுறேன். Okay, this is, and here we are multiplying this 2. 4 into 2, 8. So we need a log value for 8. 8, see, 8 into 9.8. See here, students, this is 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 9.8 kana log value veno, not for 8. Yes. So we need log value for 8 into 9.8. That value is 78.4. 78.4 multiplied value. For 78.4, the log value is 1.8943. Okay. So it is bar 1.5036. So we need to find out the antilog of it. So let us find out the antilog of the value, and that's going to be height, maximum height. Refer logbook to verify your answers, or you may do it manually if you can. So that antilog of this value, bar 1.5036 would give 0.3188. It is going to be height, so height, maximum height is this much. And we are also asked to calculate in the problem what is the range. Okay, so range is found using this formula: u squared sine 2 theta, not sine square, it is sine 2 theta by g, that is equal to 5 into sine 2 into 30 degree by g is 9.8. So 25 into sine 60 degree. Okay, it is root 3 by 2 into 9.8. So we'll get, substitute 25 into what is the root 3 value? This much, you know will. So it is 19.6. Now when I solve using the log 25, what is the log 25 value? It is 1.3979. And what is log 1.732? 0.2375. That's equal to 1.6364. So we need now log value for 19.6 now. So when you find out for this, it is 1.26, this much. So we need to find out again the antilog of this. Okay. So when you refer the antilog, then range is equal to 2.21 meter. Okay. Now coming to the next problem. This is problem number 17. Problem number 17. A football player with a speed. So it is taken as the initial speed. That is u. 20 meter per second. And the theta, angle theta is 30. You may just see here the diagram. Angle is theta and g value is 9.8. Okay, meter per second square. We need to find out the reaches the goal post, no? Whether the ball reaches. So for that we have to find out the range, or is equal to u squared sine 2 theta by g. So substitute the values. It is 20 squared sine 2 into sine 30 degree. Okay, that becomes sine 60 degree. This will become sine 60 degree as multiplied by 2 divided by 9.8. Okay. Now, when you just solve this, that would be equal to 400 into root 3 by 9.8. I have just calculated manually, and that value is this much. See the given distance for the goal post. It is given distance for the goal post is 40 meter. Given distance for goal post is 40. Okay, but we have got only 35.63, which is lesser than 40 meter, and so the ball will not reach the goal. Will not reach the goal. Okay. Now coming to the next problem, that is problem number 18. Given that in the problem initial speed u 10 meter per second and g is 9.8 meter per second square and height of the building is 100 meter. Read the problems. Then we need to find out what is the horizontal distance. Here it is equal to, the horizontal distance is measured using the formula u into two h by g. So when you substitute 10 into 2 into 100 by g, that is, we may just calculate as 100 into 1 by 4.9. How? In the previous step, inside square root there was 100. அது வந்து 10 ன்னு வெளியில வரும். அந்த வெளியில இருக்கிற 10 ஓட மல்டிப்ளை ஆகும்போது டோட்டலா 100 ஆகுது. ஓகேயா? ரைட். இப்போ நீ இத சால்வ் பண்ணிக்கோ. சால்வ் பண்ணும்போது உனக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும்? இப்படி ஈஸியா சால்வ் பண்ணிக்கிற மாதிரி பாத்துக்கோ. மல்டிப்ளைட் பை and divided by, that is both side we are multiplying by 10 அப்படின்னு வச்சிட்டோம்னா இப்படி கிடைக்கும். ஓகேயா? So we'll get the answer as 100 into 3.16. It is divided by the 7. No, it is square root. It is within the square root. It is 7, and so the answer is equal to 45 meter. Okay, just verify the answer. In any way, you can just verify it. An object is executing uniform circular motion with an angular speed of pi by 12 radian and time t is equal to 0, object theta is equal to 0. When time t is equal to 0, theta is 0. Now we need to find out the angular displacement. You know, angular velocity is angular displacement by time taken. And so what is the angular displacement after t seconds? It is omega into t. And omega is given as pi by 12. And what's the time? Time t is equal to here 4 seconds. After 4 seconds, so time t is 4 seconds. So into 4, that angular displacement made here is theta is equal to omega into t. No, so pi by 12 in this step la ni podanumpa into 4 nu pottena da unakku enna kedaikum appadina pi by 3 nu answer kedaikudhu. In the step la ni use panna koodadhu, ena idu nama vandu omega mattum da eludum. இந்த ஸ்டெப்ல யூஸ் பண்ணாத ஒமேகா t ல சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணிட்டு உனக்கு ஆன்சர் கிடைக்கும். ரைட்? இட் இஸ் 5 by 3. 5 by 3 னா என்ன வரும்? 180 by 60 degree. Theta is 60 degree. Yes. Coming to the next problem. X-axis represents east, y-axis north. Okay. Accordingly, we write this as west minus x-axis and minus y is south. Okay. So this is taken as plus x plus y. So unit vector along the direction is plus I cap plus j cap minus I cap and this is minus j cap. Okay. Now, first question, 5 meter northeast and 2 meter up. So as the object moves 5 meter towards the north, no? Northeast, 5 meter towards northeast. So here the diagram would be, if you take this as north and this x-axis as east, towards northeast அப்படினா x ஓட displacement இந்த directionல இருக்கும். That is 5 meter. Okay. And the angle made is 45 degree. So here two components we are getting. One is capital X is equal to x cos theta, that is cos 45 I cap. Am I right? Plus y sin 45 j cap. So that would be, for the sin 45 and cos 45 is going to be, what is it? It is 1 by root 2. So when you substitute as 1 by root 2 value, then it would be taking 5 into 1 by root 2 I cap plus 5 into 1 by root 2 j cap. Okay, taking 5 by root 2 as common, we get I cap plus j cap. Also, it is given that 2 meter up, so we are writing as 2k along z axis. So as it is along z axis, we take it as plus 2k. Okay. Now coming to the next part. Next part, it is 4 meter southeast. It is given that 4 meter southeast. So southeast na eppadi varum? Idu east varum and south in the axis varum. So it is going to be minus j cap. It makes 45. Here, not that fully. Here it makes 45. Not this. Only this is 45. So this time you are getting again the same, following the same steps as again the components as 4 by root 2. What would be that? I cap minus j cap. Also given that 3 meter up. That would be the answer. Okay. And you can find out for the third one. What's the third one given? 2 meter north. So this is 2 meter north, northeast and 4 meter up. This step you may just do it as your own. Try yourself to solve the next or following the same. And the problem number 21. This is moon is orbiting Earth approximately in 27 days. Yes. And so it is 360 degree. 360 degree is equal to 27 days. So what is 1 day is equal to 360 by 27. In degrees we get 13 degree. And it is, if you take 13 degree and minutes, 13 degree 3 minutes. Answer is 13 degree and 3 minutes. Here we won't get the dot. Okay students, how did you get this as 13 degree and 30 minutes? Actually when you just divide it, it would be 0.3 degree only, but it is to be multiplied. Okay, so we'll get 13.3 degree. 13.3 degree or 18 minutes would come. And the next problem is final problem. It is 22. Problem number 22. Here you need to find out what is the angular velocity. Given values, alpha is 0.2 radian per second square and t is equal to 3 seconds. Theta is equal to what? So you know that formula for the angular displacement according to equation of motion, that is omega naught t plus half at square. Okay, so substitute the values. That would be going to be 0 is equal to 0 plus 1 by 2 into 0.2 plus 3 square. Okay, half alpha t square, no? Half alpha t square. Okay, then we'll get theta is how much of radians? 0.9 as 0.1, we get 0.9 radian. You know very well that what is the degree value of 1 radian? It is 57.295 degree. So to convert theta in radian degrees, we'll get 0.9 into 57.295 degree. So answer is approximately 51 degree and 5 minutes. 51 degree and 5 minutes. Again I write. Thank you.